What up, guys? I'm Patronn at Brooklyn Mitsubishi. How are you guys? We're shooting the video right from our new location, our new headquarters. Check it out. We got LED lights done. The floor is done. We put in advertising inside. Look at the building, how it came out. It looks beautiful. We can't wait. We're so excited for 2019. There's a new franchise coming, guys, so we're super excited. We want you guys to come celebrate with us, the grand opening. So I'm gonna keep you guys posted on the date. We're gonna throw a nice party for you guys. Our Christmas party is gonna be here as well. And we want you guys to pretty much check it out what we did in 30 days, man. This is what happened in 1 year, guys. This is just 1 year. Can you imagine 2019? It's gonna be crazy. So we're just super excited. That's my new office. We're gonna have Bobby in there. We're gonna have the whole crew in there. And the conference room, we finally get our own conference room. So we get green screen, the whole 9 yards. So we're taking it to the next level, man, 2019. We're changing the game. You need to change the game. You need to come to our conference and see what it is about, what we're talking about here. Social media is taking over the auto industry. So let's make it happen, guys. 2019, come on. Help Patronn approve this message, damn it. Let's go. Peace.